All right, Leo, another night shift. It's always so quiet out here at night, Gus. Just the usual concrete pour prep, Leo. Nothing spooky. We need to check the rebar alignment over here. Huh? Did you hear that, Gus? Probably just the wind, Leo. This place creaks. That was no tea, the wind. All right, that was a bit louder. Must be loose material settling. I guess, if you say so, Gus. Whoa! Did you see that? Must be the wind catching it. No big deal. That sounded like a whisper. Just the wind, Leo. Playing tricks on you. All right, shed check next. Keys, keys. Gus, did you hear that scratch? Probably just a loose tool dragging. Nothing here? Are you sure? F. What was that? Just a rat. Scared us good, though. A black rat. Of course. My heart almost jumped out of my chest. All right, that's done. Next, the scaffolding check. Looks pretty solid up there. What in Lego City was that? Hold on, let's see. Huh, nothing there. Weird. Maybe it's something else. Not the wind, not a rat. Okay, that wasn't the wind or a rat. What is that? It was a cat. All that for a cat. That growl sounded so ferocious.
Well, that explains the growl. And maybe the scratching, too.
What now? Now, the H-at's new. Do we H-A-F to go back?
Looks like one of the old backup generators is acting up.
It's gonna blow!
Just a loose connection.
There, good as new. No ghosts, just old wiring.
So the whispers were the wind, the scratching was a rat, the growl was a calico cat, and the whine was a generator. Looks like all the spooks are just regular construction site stuff.
Time to go home, Goose.